How to fix MeetMe app login problem. In today's video, we're going to be tackling a common issue many users have with the MeetMe app, the login problem. If you're struggling to log in, don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple troubleshooting steps to help you get back into your account. So let's get started. Before diving into anything too technical, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can prevent you from logging in. Simply try toggling your Wi-Fi or switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to make sure your connection is stable. Next, make sure your MeetMe app is up to date. Sometimes login issues happen. If the app is outdated, head over to App Store or Google Play Store and search for MeetMe. And if you see an update button, simply hit it. Now, if updating didn't solve the problem, you can try clearing the app cache or data on your Android phone. Simply go to Settings on Apps and simply find MeetMe and tap on Storage and click Clear Cache. Once you've cleared the cache or data, try logging in again. Note that clearing data will log you out, but don't worry, you can simply log back in. Next, what you can do is simply look for any outages that MeetMe app. You can simply check for any server outage down messages in the official website or also on the any social pages. And that's it. If none of the steps work, you might need to delete the MeetMe app and simply install it again. And that's it. I hope one of the steps help you solve your MeetMe login issue.